Hey everybody, I just wanted to record a short video introducing you to a tool called Citation Machine. It's a citation generator and it can help you in getting your MLA citations for your Works Cited page done correctly. So let me share my screen here. So it is citationmachine.net. And I'll warn you that it is a website that has a lot of pop-ups because this is the free version. So I apologize if any of the pop-ups start popping up, and if you hear any random video sound, I also apologize for that. I will warn you, besides the pop-ups, and because it's the free version, the first time you use it, you will get an ad, a video ad that comes up. It lasts for about 15 to 20 seconds that you just have to sit through it. And then you click a button and then it will take you back to this page. That said, you're then good to go with all your citations for like the next 48 hours before you have to sit through another advertisement. That's the free version. You could pay a little bit per month if you wanted to have it without any ads and without any visual clutter. And I did have that at one time, but I don't do that anymore because it's, I don't know, I can sit through an ad. Anyway, so once you get to the citationmachine.net page, create citations. Most likely you'll be dealing with a URL since you are doing an online class and accessing most things on the web. So here is a student's example URL. This is from one of your classmates' papers. So I'm just going to plug this in and oops, sorry about that. I'm just going to plug this in correctly. Oh my gosh. There we go. Sorry. I thought I had the right one up. Okay, so you'll see that it has the result. It's the right one. And I've put the website in so that I actually have access to the web page if I need to check anything or edit anything. So you will get the search result. Sometimes you may have more than one result depending on the title, but then you click on Cite and it shows you here's what we found. And see, that's one of those annoying pop-up things that seems to happen now. You'll get all the information here, and then they say, here's what we need your help with, publisher or sponsor. Typically, you do not need that for websites because it's usually the same as the name of the website. So we'll click on continue. Now here, I think it automatically will capitalize all the primary words that need to be capitalized. So I'm not going to go through and make that correction. However, you'll notice here that there are some weird things, right? We have a full name and then some extra stuff for the author. So we're going to need to cut and paste some information so that they're in the right places. So I'm going to cut the first names here. And then I'm going to delete all of this stuff after the last name because we don't need that information in our citation. Same with this next one. I'm going to cut the first name, put it in the right place, and then get rid of all the extra stuff after the person's last name. And then same as the rest here. So here we go. We have the three authors, right? The website title is the conversation. Let's see if we need to have any publisher information. Usually you can find that stuff down at the bottom. Who we are. It's a nonprofit independent news organization. So I'm not going to worry about the publisher information. We're not going to add that. I'm also just going to delete the date of access. It's not completely required. It is usually a good idea, but I'm just going to get rid of it because it's stuff that we don't know. The last thing I need to do, because I'm not sure if Citation Machine actually gets rid of the HTTPS colon double slash. We don't need that in our citations according to the MLA. So I'm just deleting that. Now I think everything looks correct. I'm just going to do a little check and then click on complete citation. Now see here, I'm just going to ignore that. See here where it said all the primary words in the title did actually get capitalized, so it did do it automatically. That's awesome. That's one less step you have to concern yourself with. And everything else looks right. So I'm going to copy citation, and then I would just copy that into a document. And I'll just put up share my Word page now. Hopefully that's sharing. Okay, we're shared there. So let me do my Control V. And you'll see here that the whole thing each actually has a hanging indent, which is required by the MLA. And that just means that the second and subsequent lines in the citation are indented. So the last thing I need to do to make sure this is correct is to format it so that it's double spaced. So I've highlighted the entry, I'm clicking on paragraph, and I'm coming down to line spacing, and I'm going to click double and click OK. And there we have our citation. So that's how you can do a citation through the citation generator like Citation Machine. There are others out there. So the thing you just need to be careful of is making sure that you do the editing, because they don't always catch certain errors. And if there's additional stuff that you need to put in, like page numbers or what have you, you can do that. So that's how you use citationmachine.net. All right, good luck with your citations. Bye-bye.